Web development is the art of creating websites and web applications that run on the internet. At its core, web development involves both the front-end and back-end aspects. The front end is what users see and interact with on their browsers. Think of the front end as the beautifully decorated dining area of a restaurant. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the essential ingredients for crafting the front end. HTML structures the content, CSS styles it, and JavaScript adds interactivity. On the other hand, the back end is like the kitchen where all the magic happens behind the scenes. The back end handles server management, databases, and the logic that powers the website. To get started, you'll need a code editor. VS Code is a popular choice for its speed and customization. Once you have your code editor, dive into HTML to create the skeleton of your website. Next, use CSS to make your website visually appealing with colors, fonts, and layouts. JavaScript will bring your website to life with dynamic features and user interactions. Ready to level up? Learn about package managers like NPM to manage your project's dependencies. Build tools like Webpack and Gulp will streamline your development process. Version control with Git is essential for tracking changes and collaborating with others. Now, let's explore additional front-end skills like Sass for more efficient styling. Responsive design ensures your website looks great on all devices, from desktops to mobiles. JavaScript frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue can help you build complex applications faster. React, created by Facebook, is currently the most popular framework. Angular, developed by Google, offers a comprehensive solution for building web apps. Vue is known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it a great choice for beginners. On the back end, you'll need to choose a server-side programming language. Popular options include PHP, Python, Ruby, C#, Java, and Node.js. Each language has its strengths, so pick one that aligns with your interests and job prospects. Databases store the data your website needs, using SQL or NoSQL technologies. SQL databases like MySQL and Microsoft SQL Server are widely used for structured data. NoSQL databases like MongoDB are great for handling unstructured data in JSON format. Remember, learning web development is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on one skill at a time and build projects to reinforce your learning. Stay consistent, be patient, and enjoy the journey of becoming a web developer.